Having a roof put on was kind of a big project in my mind. Everybody that I've spoke to at C&L has just blown me away by the professionalism. Basically, the salesman that came to the house was able to give me information. He was able to answer my questions. Even my wife, Tim, spent a lot of time one-on-one helping her decide what would look good on this house, what color choices he would suggest. The spectrum of colors is just unbelievable. They were here 2 days, and both days extremely punctual. They're all on the roof, they're all working. We decide that we need to go to the store for a few minutes. So walking outside, going to ask them if it was okay if we backed the car out of the garage and leave for a few minutes. The foreman that was on the roof instantly stopped his entire crew, came to the edge of the roof, wondered what our concern was and what he could do for us. He was really concerned about us. The other thing about the installation crew that I just could not believe is the way they took care of the house. Everything was covered, everything was protected. When they got done with the project and took the tarps off, the landscaping, that sort of thing, this house was spotless. You couldn't tell, besides for the new roof, that anybody had ever been here. The thing that stuck out in my mind probably the most is the sheer professionalism of the entire company. One lady, after seeing what they did on her house just down the street from me, came down personally and asked about my experience. Consequently, within a month later, she was having C&L put their roof on.